Hey everyone, I want to take just a few minutes to show you how to get the new Church Center app on your phone and to log in. Now, we're super excited to bring you this new app. It's going to be so intuitive and user-friendly and keep you up to date on everything that's going on in your congregation and around the core. It's super quick. Just follow along with me. First, you need to open up your app store. If you're on an iPhone, open the App Store. If you're on the Android, open the Google Play Store, such as this. Now, all you need to do is search for Church Center. That's going to be the app. Go to search bar and type in Church Center. Should be the first result with the blue and white icon with the green and blue house. Just tap download to get or install and just let it download. This should only take a few seconds depending on your internet speed. Now click open. What you'll do is select get started, continue, allow the app to use your location because this is how it's going to find your congregation. Now the app will ask which congregation you want to select. Find Core Christian Community and find either Hills Christian Church, Meridian Point Church, or Access Christian Church. For some reason, Access, you have to scroll down a little bit. There it is. I'm going to go ahead and select one. If you don't want to use a location, you can search manually or type our church name in and the zip code, and that'll work as well. Now, all you need to do is log in using your phone number or email. When you log in, if you see in the bottom left, you can use your email. I find it easier just using my phone number because it'll text me a code. Type in the code and go next. And select allow. And that's it. You're in. You should now see our church home screen where you can check the calendar, sign up for events. You can give, watch sermons, join groups, and more. If you have any issues, just email David at mycorecommunity.com and I can walk you through it.